Uh-oh. I think someone's near me. Shh, they're missing.
Shit's gonna blow! Get the fuck back! Step back!
I did it. Another one. Don't worry. I'm a professional. Whoop!
Alright, listen up. 3 of us soldiers got really fucking lost. We're on the way back.
Okay. Ooh.
Loading! Explosive! Ready!
I know.
Whoa!
That's a lot of
Thanks, Kelly, for your subscription. Dude, you
Can
ready?
you fall off? Oh.
You ready
Yes.
for this, dude?
Yes.
Dude, you ready for the real shit?
Oh my gosh. He put the temperature on high, dude.
Yeah, dude.
It's too hot.
And the angle's at 94 stars? Whoa.
All right, well,
That was
just
you know, that's just because, like, you know, I was going easy on you, like, robot. Like, you don't have a soul.
That
You
wasn't
wouldn't get
impressive,
it.
dude. I'm sorry.
Fuck you. You can do it.
He's your
Can I,
opponent,
though?
dude. Don't tell him that.
I mean, maybe. You can't do this. I win. Yeah.
I'm so confused.
Yeah. I don't know what happened. All right, here we go. Oh.
Player
Too
2.
much butter.
Star.
A little too much butter on that one. A little less mustard. Too much butter. Oh, nice.
One
Well
last
done.
shot.
One last shot,
Ow.
and then you get more shots.
Uh,
That sand. You gotta look out for that. You really hate to see it. Whoa.
this
You
is
make
called
like a cursive Q or something like that.
gamer skills. What? Dude, that's a cute freaking ghost, at least. I want it to haunt me
Oh, you get those there. You
with
get
good
them.
vibes.
What if you did sick curve? Got both of them.
You wouldn't, would he?
Like an anime line.
Dude, there's gotta be an anime based on this kind of game.
Yeah. Snake's going for the gullet. But the snake, I'm sorry, the ghost denies him. Why doesn't Boba Fett work with anybody? He hunts solo. Heh. Oh shit.
God damn it.
Player 2.
Wow, we.
Shoot for the star.
That's, something you'll just have to feel out one of these days, robot. You see, when you don't have a soul, it's a little hard.
Robots don't feel. Pew. Ooh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. How does that feel?
Alright. Listen. Fuck you, robot.
Wow.
Yep, I said it.
3 rounds remaining. Pew pew.
Player 2.
The battle of the 2 points continues. Cry is now up to 3 lead.
What you gonna
but
do with all them planets? All them planets inside your anus.
During this, bro. It's no longer a butt planet, it's about urine.
Guys says, at 10th Muse, it works. I had something else to say, but Craig's comment caught me off guard and I forgot.
Player 1, shoot for the stars.
Snake is now up by 1 point after taking 2 from Cry.
You son of a bitch.
Cry may have psyched himself out with his own butt joke. Will he come back?
Alright.
How many of these plants can you fit in your anus?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a nice bank shot. Good luck. Patooey! Ooh!
Player 2,
Can he do it? Oh shit. I see what you. Oh! Ooh, simple geometry. Alright, slow down there.
match over.
Oh,
It only works
used.
once around, I think.
Damn. Okay.
I saw what you were plotting,
Unfortunate.
though. That would have been smart as fuck to sweep me at the end there with the last turn. Ooh.
Yeah.
Otherwise, people would just sit there and the last person would probably win.
I am but a
Yes,
commentator, but as referee, you win.
As referee, the thought
3,
was dope.
1, swing away.
Is also.
Swing away.
Oh, shit. You know what? I want to play Smash.
All right.
Yeah. So let's do that. Blue moon.
Huh?
Look at the red.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. Still gets you, okay?
God damn it.